So hey everybody, this is going to be a really basic tutorial for anybody opting to use Messenger on desktop. So let's get on to the video now. So firstly, you have to go to any of the browsers that you prefer and then type in Messenger, and then it will just lead you to a page like this, and then click on the first option. So it will lead you to a page like this. If you already have your Facebook linked up, then it will directly give you an option to continue as your profile. So if you click on the get it from Microsoft option right there, then it will lead you to a page like this where you can download it from Microsoft. And if you are a MacBook user, then click on the download from the App Store option, and it will lead you to a home page like this. So Meta has this new feature of only syncing past messages if you have the correct pin decided beforehand, and then you have the option to either allow or block your notifications. So this is the main home screen of the Messenger. So if you click on the new chat option, then it will allow you to search up different names of your friends and have a new conversation with them. And if you click on any of the chat box at the left hand side of the screen and then click on the video like icon, then it allows you to have a video call. You can allow or block it. And coming back to personal chats, if you click on the plus like button at the very bottom, it also allows you to send a voice clip. If you click on the GIF written icon, it allows you to send different GIFs. If you click on the sticker like icon, then it allows you to send different stickers and avatars. And on the very right hand side, you can see the settings to customize your chat with a certain person. For example, you can see the pinned messages. If you change the theme for the message, then it will change the background of the chat. You can also change this emoji right here, and you could also edit the nickname of the person. And if you click on media and files, then you could see all of the media and files that you have shared before. And as we go on to privacy and support, you can see various options such as mute notifications for that particular chat, and you could also choose the time frame for which you mute that conversation, for example 24 hours or 15 minutes. And if you choose the disappearing messages and click on 24 hours, then your messages will disappear after the 24 hours you've sent. And if you click on the block messages, then it will directly block the person that's chatting with you, and you could also report them. These are all of the lists that you could report them for. And as we go on to the very top left of the screen, we can see various options. For example, there is the people. This normally shows all of the people that you're friends with and that you can chat right now or that are online. And the third option is the marketplace, and the fourth option is the request. These are the message requests from all of the people that are not mutually friends with you. And then at the fourth, you have the archive chat section, where you have list of all of the chats that you have previously archived. So moving forward, click on your profile right here. You have the various options to manage your settings or privacy. As you can see here, we have the option to see all of the restricted accounts and everything about privacy and safety and supervision, and if there is any help needed with all of the functionalities, and also to report any problem occurred. And then you have all of the policies from Meta. And then as you look at the very last option, you also have the option to log out from Messenger. As you click on the log out, you will be officially logged out from Messenger, and you need to sign up again in order to have your profile. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching the video, and please make sure to subscribe and comment for any clarifications. Thank you.